Ants are common insects, but they have some unique capabilities. More than 10,000 known ant species occur around the world. Enthusiastically social insects, ants typically live in structured nearest communities that may be located underground, in ground-level mounds, or in trees. Carpenter ants nest in wood and can be destructive to buildings. Some species, such as army ants, defy the norm and do not have permanent homes, instead seeking out food for their enormous colonies during periods of migration. Ant communities are headed by a queen or queens, whose function in life is to lay thousands of eggs that will ensure the survival of the colony. Workers are wingless females that never reproduce, but instead forage for food, care for the queen's offspring, work on the nest, protect the community, and perform many other duties. Male ants often have only one role, mating with a queen. After they have performed this function, they may die.
My name is พงษ์การแป้นสำโรง My nickname is Farm
My name is พิรวัตรศิริพันธ์ My nickname is Night
My name is ชมานันท์โสดา My nickname is Arthur
My name is ยศพลเสียงเพราะ My nickname is Peem
My name is กรวิทย์ปินนาน My nickname is Bom